I know! It's just a jet to Boeing 737. I don't know, probably that's a MAX. I have no clue. I don't know if that's a 737 MAX. I have no clue what it is. I know it's a 737. I have no clue what that is. What type? Oh! Oh! Yes! Yes! The moment we all been waiting for. It's just an A320, but it doesn't matter. Oh. Oops.
David?
Do something. This is a Wizz Air A320, part of the A320 family by Airbus. And we have the final boss, the A380, the most luxurious airline, heading to Dubai. Oh boy, this is going to be exciting. I can't wait to hear those engines roar. It's going to be awesome. It's now going to take off. Andreas, move out the way. I'm so sorry, sir. It's just my little cousin. Oh my God. Yes. 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 I didn't know. I can finally see it in person. Oh boy, the engines are roaring and it's great. Yes, it's gonna do it. It's gonna do it. Yes, it's gonna do it. Here we go. This is the best day ever. Damn. Plane spotting an A380 is awesome. This is amazing.